This is the OnePlus 10T 5G smartphone, and today we would like to show how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number row. From here you want to either tap on this cog icon over here and get forwarded directly to the Gboard settings, or you can also launch the General Settings app, then enter the system category, which is in here called System Settings to be precise. Then go for the keyboard and input method, Gboard. So once you've successfully gotten to the Gboard keyboard settings page, you gotta enter the Preferences category, and in here all that it's left to do is to switch this little toggle on that says number row. And once we launch the keyboard again, we'll clearly see that the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that would be it for this simple and basic video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.